Hello, I'm Shakil, a student of College of Aviation Technology. Recently, I had participated on a virtual summit of Global Aerospace Summit 2020. It was all about the United Arab Emirates aerospace and defense sectors. The Global Aerospace Summit had an additional host partner for 2020, AIDS alongside Mubadala. AIDS supporting the development of this technology intensive sector and underpinning the key defense sector pillar of summit and bringing together the aerospace, space, defense, and aviation sectors. The summit is a leadership platform as the world adapts and responds to new challenges and opportunities. With a renewed agenda developed through extensive engagement with their advisory board of key local and international stakeholders, the summit had been an incubator for solutions for the critical issue facing aerospace restoring confidence in air travel. The accelerated uptake of digitalization, business preparedness, and response to disruption, the virtual agenda focuses directly on the topic that will enable the aerospace sector to thrive in the new economics and social environment. It's actually how the aerospace and aviation sectors can bounce back quickest, where investment must be made now to support the renewal and what opportunity will arise from fundamentally reshaped business ecosystem. The summit was an exclusive strategic gathering of 1,000 global aerospace industry leaders came together to promote partnership and cooperative development in the global aerospace sector. This time, the summit seeks for fresh voice and brings in the truly multinational group of thinkers and leaders. This virtual summit was about dialogue and access, connecting organizations and individuals who can have direct positive impact on business performance across the aerospace, defense, aviation, and space industry. Since the launch of Summit 2012, major OEMs and industry players from Boeing, Airbus, Lockheed Martin, and Northrop Grumman to Collins Aerospace, Leonardo BAE System, and Honeywell have supported Mubadala and the UAE in developing a valuable platform to meet global industry leaders and understand how new technology are changing aerospace and defense.